DEFE Flood Barriers Smart Flood Control, Securing the Future. Founded in 2004, DEFE is dedicated to flood protection under the principle Quality Ensures Safety. Supported by North China University of Water Resources and Electric Power, we innovate complete flood solutions and hold multiple national patents. Our products are trusted globally. Exported to Europe and Southeast Asia. Our DEFE 3550th series demountable barriers feature rapid modular assemblies. Panels connect in 30 seconds, enabling one person to build defenses in under 10 minutes. They outperform traditional sandbags by 15x in installation speed and 3x in effectiveness. Milky-grade FPM seals guarantee reliable waterproofing. The new landscape flood barrier merges advanced protection with urban aesthetics. Made from bullet-resistant glass and aerospace aluminum, it meets flood standards while enhancing cityscapes. Its pre-embedded system remains invisible daily, deploying instantly when needed. True dual-use functionality. Trusted worldwide. DEFE barriers protect projects from Shanghai's Bund to Singapore's subways, European landmarks to Middle Eastern hubs. Over 1,000 major installations. Our European subsidiary provides localized services with 48-hour response as climate risks escalate. DEFE leverages 20 years of expertise to deliver reliable flood solutions. Together, let's build a safer, resilient future.